here's the top of my antenna, and basically this fits on like so, pushes on. If you've got one of those bulbous tops, you won't get it in the hole here, like so, and then you do the screw up. Let me just do that now, hold on. Right, and as you can see, the thing is on there. So let's go and have a look at what it looks like actually mounted, and then we'll do some tests. Okay, so there's the aerial up the top. I'll just take a zoom in picture and you can see it sitting up there, and then we'll wait till it's dark and do a bit of testing. Right, we will transmit. Here we go. There's the aerial. That looks good.